Okay guys, today we are watching 20 CSGO players of 2025. Okay, let's start. Oh my god. Yes. Valerie
very quiet and very cautious.
Oh my god. Yes. He is bigger player. He is very nice. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like a Terminator. Oh my god. Yes, very nice double shot. Oh my god. Yes. Miyai Iwan. Okay. Nice. Oh my god, very fast. Fast and clear. Yes. What the fuck? Nice shot. Nice shot. Okay. Yes, very nice shot. Yes. Oh my god. Yes, yes. Nice headshots. Oh my god. What the fuck? Yes, Nikola Kovac, okay? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes, yes. Yes, what the fuck? Yes. Yes. Very nice. Very nice game. Oh my god. Oh my god. Very clear. Very clear. Oh my god. Oh my god. Very nice fight. Adam Torzas. Oh my god. Yes. Get awkward for Magic swings him out into that main fight. Yes, now, very critical game. Oh my god, what the hell? Shiro could just fly up the vent. Torji repositions, has to plant. Shiro gonna try and play for the info. Torji chases it. Oh my god, what a shot, man. What a shot. Oh my god, very huge moment. Oh my god, yes. Yes, 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 what the fuck? Oh my god, very nice shot. Yes, oh my god, what a reflex! Oh my god, what a huge moment. Yes, yes, oh my god, what a poor Marek Kajinkis. Yes. Very nice. Very fast man, oh my god. Yes. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god, what the hell? What the hell? Yes, very nice reflex. Oh my god. Yes. Oh my god. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Very fast. What the fuck? Oh my god, very fast! Like a Terminator! Yes, very clear. Very clear moment. Oh my god, oh my god. Yes. Yes. Very incredible moment. Very incredible. Oh my god, I can't believe my eyes. Oh my god. What the fuck? Yes. Okay, very nice. I am shocking right now. William Marzimin. Okay, okay. Oh my gosh. Yes, very strong man. Very genius. Nice position. Oh my god. Yes, okay guys, thank you for watching me. Have a good day.